In this clip we're going to replace the brushes on the voice alternator, and it's showing the red light. So first thing we'll do, we'll pop off the plastic cover and see what the slip rings are like and the brush box. Right, pull the first cover. We'll remove the brush box here. Here she comes, and we can see the brushes are seized up, badly worn. So next step now will be clean up the connector and clean up the slip rings. And they're fairly dirty, yeah, right. So that's the next operation. Now make sure you clean this connector up here first. A little bit of fine pepper, maybe grit 80, or maybe 140 or something, or 220. Little petal moisture rag. You clean up these two slip rings here, clean up this connector. This little alternator is fitted to the Citeron Berlingo and the Peugot Partner. And now we'll install the brush pack. Make sure your connector is on here. Taken by hand. We'll snap the cover back on again. A gap here.